So here we are, we're at another green lane. It's just this bit of road, and then we set off down this hill down here. I don't know whether you can see very well, but we'll chuck them in low range already. Easily down that bit. This is a bit that could get you cross axle if you don't have great axle articulation. Luckily the Range Rover did it with the diff lock not even engaged. Imagine that it's slippy, this is probably a little bit more interesting. Just go really steady off. There we go right now. And that is pretty much the end of the lane. This goes onto like a bit of a dirt track now, and you can take out of low range. So get it into high range, and we're off. So that is a good lane, and we'll put the start and ends in the end of the video description.